Yes. Let's move to the next paragraph, number 3. The Second World War broke out. Broke out means started in 1939 when I was 8 years old. Means at the time of Second World War starting in 1939, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam was 8 years old. So we can guess that he was born in 1931. For reasons I have never been able to understand, a sudden demand for tamarind seeds erupted in the market. For a reason means somehow, or because of many reasons, he could not understand that how suddenly it increased the demand of tamarind seed. Tamarind मतलब इमली का बीज. इमली, it is a kind of fruit, and इसके seeds की demand अचानक market में erupt हो गई, means suddenly came into demand. I used to collect the seeds and sell them to a provision shop on Mosque Street. Mosque Street. He says that in his childhood he started collecting what tamarind seeds and used to sell them on to a provision shop on Mosque Street. Means provision shop means राशन की दुकान. वहां पर वो मॉस्क स्ट्रीट में एक राशन की दुकान होती थी जहां पर वो ले जाकर उस टैमरिंड सीड को बेचते थे. A day's collection would fetch me the princely sum of 1 anna. Here I just tell you, a day's collection would fetch me princely sum. Princely sum means generous amount. Generous amount means a very good amount, sufficient amount. Here ironic. Ironic means, why it is ironic? Means whatever you are talking just opposite to that something, that is ironic. Means here he says that 1 anna. Anna means before rupees and paise in our country there was a different currency system, that was anna, and 1 anna means 6 paise. So you can imagine that at that time, after selling the tamarind seed, he used to fetch means get. How many paise? 6 paise. But on the contrary, he is speaking that he is earning generous amount, means amount was very big at that time. That's why this is ironic, right? My brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell me stories about what? My brother-in-law tell me about the stories of World War, which I would later attempt to trace in the headline of Dinamani. Dinamani is a newspaper in Tamil. He says that his brother-in-law, जो उसके बहनोई थे, his name was Jalaluddin. He used to tell him the stories about the World War II, and later he, Mr. Abdul Kalam, used to find the trace, means to find out the headlines of those stories in Dinamani newspaper. Our area being isolated, as in the beginning I have told you that this Rameshwaram is an island, isolated area cut off from the mainland, was completely unaffected by the war. Means there was no impact of war on this area because it was isolated, it is cut off area. But soon India was forced to join the Allied forces and something like a state of emergency was declared. But soon India was forced, India को भी force किया गया to join Allied forces. There were two parties, two forces against each other. पहली फोर्स जो थी, that was consist of armies of UK, USA and Russia. The another was second part. So India was also forced to join Allied forces, and it joined, and after joining that, what happened? An emergency was declared. Emergency means the president rule. Many things are there, many privileges which are given to the people are curtailed. कम कर दी जाती हैं बहुत सारी, जैसे आजकल आप देख रहे होंगे कि इस कोरोना पीरियड में ऐसा चल रहा है. दिस इज नॉट इमरजेंसी बट स्टिल अ काइंड ऑफ कर्फ्यू सिचुएशन इज देयर. द फर्स्ट कैजुअलिटी केम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सस्पेंशन ऑफ द ट्रेन halt at Rameshwaram station. First casualty. Casualty means does not mean कि किसी की death. Casualty means the loss. इसका पहला loss क्या हुआ? Came in form of suspension of train. Train halt. End of train halt. Suspension means end. To stop something. Suspension of train halt at Rameshwaram station. पहला लॉस हुआ इस इमरजेंसी का क्या हुआ कि रामेश्वरम स्टेशन पे जो ट्रेन रुका करती थी, वो रुकने का जो उसका हाल्ट था उसको स्टॉप कर दिया गया. द न्यूज़पेपर्स नाउ हैड टू बी बंडल्ड एंड थ्रोन आउट फ्रॉम द मूविंग ट्रेन. एंड व्हाट वाज द इंपैक्ट? दैट न्यूज़पेपर नाउ हैड टू बी बंडल्ड एंड थ्रोन आउट फ्रॉम द मूविंग ट्रेन ऑन द रामेश्वरम रोड. इसका रिजल्ट ये हुआ दैट bundles of newspapers were thrown directly on the Rameshwaram road from moving train between Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi. Exactly. Earlier it was the halt of this train in Rameshwaram, but because of the suspension of this halt, the train went all the way to धनुषकोडी. ये रामेश्वरम में नहीं रुकती थी, जिसकी वजह से जो अखबार के बंडल होते थे वो सीधे कहां पर फेंक दिए जाते थे? रामेश्वरम रोड पे. That forced my cousin Samsuddin, who distributed newspaper in Rameshwaram, to look for a helping hand to catch the bundles, and as if naturally I filled the slot. He says that his cousin, his name was Samsuddin, he was the hawker. He used to distribute newspaper in Rameshwaram. It was a big task for him now to catch the bundles which were thrown from moving train. So that's why he needed a helping hand, and naturally APJ Abdul Kalam filled the slot. Filled the slot means filled this requirement. वहां पर वो फिट हो गए and he started helping his cousin. Samsuddin helped me on my first wages. First wages means first earning. पहली बार उनको जो पैसा कमाने का मौका मिला उसमें किसने हेल्प दिया? Samsuddin ने. Half a century later, I can still feel the surge of pride in earning my own money from the first time. He says that it's been 50 years. When he wrote this autobiography, it had been 50 years. But he says that I can feel the surge of pride in earning my own money for first time. कि पहली बार की कमाई जो होती है उससे मन में क्या गर्व उत्पन्न होता है. What kind of pride we feel. I can feel it now itself. अभी भी मुझे वो याद आता है.